Are you fed up with that dull, lifeless coffee flavor ruining your mornings? It's time to revamp how you store your coffee. Start by investing in an airtight container. This crucial step acts like a fortress, keeping moisture and air at bay, two main enemies of freshness. Imagine placing that container in a cool, shadowy corner of your pantry or cupboard. Definitely avoid the fridge, where flavors can get muddled. Buying coffee in bulk? That's a savvy choice. Just remember to freeze some beans, but do it wisely. Portion them out first so you don't have to deal with the hassle of thawing and refreezing. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Here's a golden nugget of wisdom. Whole beans can maintain their freshness for a much longer time compared to ground coffee. Always grind your beans right before brewing to unleash that deep, rich flavor. With these smart storage tricks, you're set to elevate your coffee ritual. Fresh, vibrant coffee is just a few clever decisions away. Have more tips? Drop your coffee storage secrets in the comments. Let's keep brewing the finest together.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.